This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Update iOS and restart the iPhone to clear transient issues. Next, make sure you are signed into the correct Apple ID and iCloud. Apple Pay ties to that account. Then open Settings, confirm Wallet and Apple Pay are enabled, and review screen time content and privacy restrictions because those can block payments. Once done, check your payment method in Wallet so you know whether the problem is account, device, or card related. Now, remove the affected card from Wallet and add it again. Sometimes re-enrollment forces proper verification. If the device won't verify or NFC fails, reset network settings to clear Wi-Fi and cellular anomalies. Make sure two-factor authentication is active for your Apple ID and verify the device region and currency match the card's issuing country. If your bank offers in-app Apple Pay enrollment, use it to bypass some verification steps. This often resolves issuer-side blocks. Finish by signing out of your Apple ID, then sign back in and attempt a small transaction to confirm functionality. If Apple Pay is still restricted, contact your card issuer to confirm there are no holds or supported enrollment issues, and open a ticket with Apple support so they can inspect account flags. One key troubleshooting tip: check for any installed mobile device management or corporate profiles. Those often enforce payment restrictions. If present, remove the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.